Where's the number blocks? Ay, give that kay Mama. No, it's not here. Thank you. What's that? Wow, so nice. Ooh. Tulog pa si Carson, guys. And mga 8:30 pa ata. Wow, so nice number blocks. Wow. Are you happy?
No. You are two.
Number 2 ang orange. What is the color of number 2?
Yeah.
Yeah. And put the eyes na number 2. There you go. Yeah. Number 2.
Number 2.
Where is the number 2?
No. Here.
No. How does it look like yung na-scratch ni Austin from yesterday? Good morning, everyone. Ayong buka. Today is Thursday na ba ata? Yes, today is a Thursday. And do you know yesterday? Sobrang lamig na talaga. And I don't know if ako lang. Number 9. And I don't know kung ako lang, but if it's already so cold, talagang nakaka-depressed siya because nakakatamad lumabas, nakakatamad maggawa-gawa because parang nanonood kasi talaga ang lamig sa body mo. And it's so cold that nag-wash up ako last night. And then talagang sobrang lamig because hindi pa din naka-turn on na naming heater. And nag-order na din si Carson ng oil, which is kinda expensive. Sobrang tagal ko din nakatulog kagabi, guys. Mga 2 na ata, almost 3 because natulog si Austin ng mga 8:30. And then nagising siya ng mga 2:00 and then ayaw niyang matulog ulit. And that's the time na patulog pa lang ako because... Why?
Mama. Number 10.
Yeah, because I edited a video that's so long. 1 hour video siya. And then na-squeeze ko lang siya until 40 minutes. Imagine that. Hindi ko siya na-squeeze like until 30 minutes. And sobra talagang nakakapagod. Ang sakit na dito ng leeg ko. And then the moment that I wanted to sleep na, talagang nagising si Austin. So hindi masyadong madami ang tulog natin for today. What, Austin?
Put ice. 10.
Do you like to put eyes on 10? Okay, here's the sticker to number 10. Si Austin, sa mga number blocks niya, ito kasing number blocks, first niya tong na-learn from TV. So, nanonood siya ng TV. And then, specifically, this show, ang tawag is number blocks. And kilala niya ang colors by its number. So, for example, you want to put the eyes?
Yeah.
Okay. What number is this?
1.
Alam niya na ang red is actually number 1. Like that. And then, where is number 1? Where is number 1? Mama cannot. There's also number 1. So, ganyan yan siya, guys. Number 1. And then, this one, tinanggal ko ang number niya. What number is this?
2.
Alam niya na number 2. Color lang. This one. What number is this?
3.
What number is this?
8.
It's crazy. Because, you know, nanonood lang siya niyaan. But he really knows the color coordination of those. This one, what number? Ito. Ito lang ipapakita natin. What number is this?
70.
70. But yeah, good. This is 7.
7.
It's crazy, Austin. And this one, alam nyo ito ang number. What number is this?
Yay.
Oh, you know. And this one, number, what number is this?
Number 1.
This one, ba? This white one.
Number 1.
Number 10. That's number 10. So, I will just let Austin play. Mag-prepare tayo ng pang-ulam. So, yesterday is na-marinate si Karsten ng barbecue. And then, magluluto tayo ng konti. Piprito ko siya ba para may ulam si Austin for breakfast. And meron kasi akong nilutong kanin from yesterday. So, ang breakfast niya is kanin. And then, makikikain na lang din ako ng konti kay Austin. So, that's gonna be our breakfast. There na si Daddy Karsten. Inutusan ko siya, guys. Nalutuan niya kami ng barbecue. Although, of course, I could make it myself. But, alam niyo na, medyo OA si Mouse gustong magpagawa ng barbecue. Ooh!
So, pag wala ka, absent ka, iba ang nagdo-duty, iba rin ang nagtatanggap sa pera at nagdi-deliver. Am I correct?
Senator De La Rosa, may I just remind you na isang follow-up. Pero kung gusto mo ituloy at pahig si Senator Marcoleta, naka-charge sa oras niya. Yung mga susunod na tanong, okay?
Oh, okay lang.
Okay lang? Sige boss. Meron ka pa namang 4 na minuto pa mahigit yan.
Yes, sir.
Sige.
Very quick lang. So, pag hindi ka duty, may ibang nag-deliver na pera kay Salvito at kay Speaker Romualdez.
I wonder what you are doing in a city park riding, or better yet, you know I bet you're at home cooking. I wonder what you are wearing, a cable knit sweater you pair it with corduroy slacks. Wait, I take that back, you might be more daring. I've been over every detail, every bus of ease, so I know that there will come a day, it could be snowing or I find myself caught in the rain. I look into the crowd, so many faces, but a single one will stand out. Heart skipping a beat, 1, 2, 4, and 3. Then suddenly call me crazy, but I think it might be the one for me. Am I being romantic or just unrealistic?
Sips. Be careful. Let's cook lunch and we will be cooking sardines. And this is sprout na medyo mabaho siya. Smells good or bad?
Tama.
So si Austin tinanggalan niya na hindi na natin ma-open ng maayos. But initin lang muna natin.
Mama po
Oil? Yeah, we don't need oil for that, my love. But let's open this one first. Di na natin ma-open because imo nang gisira. Let's just use can opener. Si Austin din ang nagkuha ng can opener because he knows that this is what we are gonna use. This is what we're using to open the can. Yes, love, what do you want to say? I don't know daw kung gagana to siya sa... Hindi kasi siya pa circle. So, I'm not sure if it's working. I don't think so. Oopsie, 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 oopsie. Oopsie, 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 oopsie. Ayaw mag-open. Hala. So, ito ang sardine. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano ang term na to in English, but mas maliit kasi siya sa normal na sardinas, guys. And then, malambot na din ang kanyang buto. So, hindi na siya nakakabuto. And normally, if I am cooking this, pinapainit ko siya, lalagyan ko yan siya ng egg. Austin, do you want to help Mama put egg? Mama will help you na lang crack it. Mama will help you crack it so you can put the egg. Go put the egg. Thank you. Good job. May gift kay mama. Wash your hand. Whoa, don't hold it, don't hold it. There you go. There you go. Maybe we can put a bit of salt in it. There you go. And let's taste kung masarap ba siya na type na isda. Because dalawang type ang binili ko ng protein na fish. And nakain ko na ang first one, masarap siya. And this one, titikman din natin siya for the first time. Isama natin sa rice. Meron na lang tayong konting rice na natira from yesterday. So, kailangan na din natin yan siya makain. So, it's basically done. And then, kain na tayo ng lunch. Palangga, when are we starting with the clothes, the carton ba? When will you bring it down? When will you bring it down? Okay. So nasa taas tayo ngayon because I wanted to prepare the clips for tomorrow. Kakagising lang ni Austin, kinuha siya ni Karsten, and here in this room upstairs, sobrang lamig na talaga. I'm not even sure how much is the temperature for today's weather. Search ko daw. Messingen weather. 12 degrees. And then, it could be as lower as 9 degrees. Sobrang lamig. And hindi pa na-turn on ang aming heater. Sabi ni Carson, i-turn on niya daw mamaya. Because, I don't know, pag gabi talaga, although makapal naman na ang blanket for sleeping, ang lamig talaga. And because of that, always kong nagugustuhan umuwi. Sabi ko kay Carson, I want to go to the Philippines because it's just so cold in here. And I don't know if kung ako lang, I want to know if there are viewers na nanonood ng vlog na to, kung every time ba na lumalamig na sa winter, na-excite ba kayo because magsusnow na ulit, or nade-depress kayo like me? It's really because of the weather. The only problem I have talaga here in this country is the weather. Because although alam naman natin pinakamahirap is language, no? Because I have to learn German and I have to learn their culture as well. But ganun talaga. And I did it before. Dati Tagalog ako, kailangan kong matuto ng Bisaya. And how they speak and everything, and culture as well ng mga Bisaya. It was fine. Basta nakatira ka lang talaga sa isang lugar, talagang ma-adapt mo rin siya in the long run. My problem is just the weather and the cold. Yun talaga ang problem. Especially we're living in this house. We're in medyo ano siya, medyo wide, maraming spaces, maraming open spaces. And that means marami din kailangan i-heater. And maybe because hindi pa rin kami naka-open na heater until now, kaya parang nag-iiba na talaga ang anyo ko. Parang uwing-uwi ako ba. But I know in my mind that we couldn't go home for now. So, yeah, gawin ko na lang muna itong, alam ko na, magkuha na lang ako ng heater na electric, ilagay ko sa mukha ko. And let's see kung magiging okay ba ang aking feeling today. Okay, so this is what I meant. Isaksak natin ang heater at gamitin natin here. Ang brand na to is Rowenta heater. Do you know, this is the same heater na binili ni Carsten for me the time that I arrived here in Germany, kasi dumating ako noon November. So pag November, pang 4 years ko na dito sa Germany. Sobrang tagal ko na. And then until now, it's still working. So yeah, if you wanted to get something like this, you can check the brand Rowenta because it's long-lasting. I-turn on ko na muna siya. Mag-work tayo ng konti. Bumaba ako na. Binihisan ko si Austin because lalabas daw sila ni Carsten. Pupunta sila kay Opa. And then, what do you want? Number blocks? This one? The number blocks.
Yeah.
And then, you have number blocks, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Austin, do you like to go to Opa?
Wait lang, wala pang socks.
No.
Do you like to go to Auntie?
No.
Do you like to go to Opa?
Yeah.
Do you like to go to Mama?
Yeah.
Do you like to go to Uncle?
Yeah.
Do you like to go to Dada?
Yeah.
Do you like to go to Austin?
Yeah.
It's so cold outside. No?
Okay, no. This is 12 grad.
Yeah, it's 12 grad. But in our room is really so cold. I even turned on the heater. But because of the heater, uminit na immediately.
What?
Palangga, dili man ni partner. It's not partner. Look at this. This is for
Is the heater on?
Look. No, I turned it on.
Well, why not?
The electric ba? Very quickly in the room because it's so cold. Di ba, Austin, you have like that? Palangga, look at the socks. Look at the socks. One big and one small. What's happening, Daddy?
Palangga, that's famous because of the windows.
What do you mean because of the windows? It's so cold. It should be not cold, di ba? But naging okay na immediately, guys. Pag nung time na nag-on ako ng heater, immediately naging okay na talaga siya. So wala namang problem. Wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody can promise tomorrow.
Dada.
So I will love you every night.
Dada.
Like it's
Mama.
yeah, that's for Dada's socks. The other one is for Austin. The other one is Dada. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over. Kailangan nating bilhan si Austin ng bagong sapatos because it's always so cold na. Austin, you have to wait for Mama. Mama is putting shoes on you.
Austin,
Okay?
when we will go to Opa!
Turn on na the heater, love. Nakabalik na sila, Austin. And then, ang ginawa ko naman sa taas is, nag-edit ako for Facebook. Because nag-upload din ako for Facebook. And then, yes. Number blocks. And actually, no, earlier we planned na ibababa ang mga damit. But I don't know why, but Carsten did not put it down.
Yeah, because there were too many stuff in front and I wanted to go out with Austin.
So that's why hindi yun natuloy. But anyway, it's okay. Diba? Life happens.
Uh-oh.
What's important is that you were able to visit Opa. And I was able to upload mga Facebook reels. I think I did 3.
And you were able to get your cheesecake.
Yes, that's true. So now, I will just play again with Austin. And let's enjoy the rest of the evening. Ito na lang ang natira sa ating banana bread na ginawa. Palangga, did Austin eat the banana bread that I gave him earlier?
Just a bit.
So, who ate it? Ikaw? Gutom? I want to put this one. Okay. Okay. Oh, Mama dance. Go, 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 go.
Bye.